BBC News. The Israeli authorities say they've shot down 3 unarmed Hezbollah drones heading towards a rig in the Karish gas field. Ownership of the field is disputed between Israel and Lebanon. The militant group says it launched the drones as part of what it called a reconnaissance mission. The Palestinians have handed over to US experts the bullet that killed the journalist Shireen Abu Akleh. They say she was killed by the Israelis while reporting. Israel says she wasn't shot intentionally. The American Secretary of State has promised an independent investigation. A state of emergency has been declared in the semi-autonomous Uzbek region of Karakalpakstan near the Aral Sea after large demonstrations. The protests in the regional capital Nukus were sparked by planned constitutional changes, which would remove the region's right to secede. President Shavkat Mirziyoyev has now promised its status would not be changed. Nigerian police have detained the pastor of a church in Ondo State, where 77 people, mostly children, have been found in the basement. Many had been told to expect the second coming of Jesus Christ in April, and when that didn't happen, in September. Protesters in Libya say they'll carry on with demonstrations until the ruling elite steps aside. On Friday, there were protests in most cities. Thousands of Americans have had their 4th of July plans disrupted by travel chaos. Airlines have cancelled more than 1,000 flights across the Independence Day holiday weekend amid a shortage of pilots and crew. The Greek tennis star Stefanos Tsitsipas has branded his Australian rival Nick Kyrgios a bully after losing to him at the Wimbledon Championships. Both players were given warnings, Kyrgios for an obscenity, Tsitsipas for hitting a ball into the crowd. BBC News.